Alright, so the garage was installed on Thursday. This is now Saturday. And so I'm going to do a quick walk around, show you what I'm going to do to this thing today. I like the green on brown. They do not sell colored doors, so that will be painted just because the white disturbs me, but that's alright. And we do have a window here in the back. And let me show you the front here. Garage door is also brown. And on the inside here, studs are 5-foot space. Let's see if that'll focus there. There we go. Studs are 5-foot space. Wish they were 4 because that makes framing easier, but that's fine. And what we're going to do today is mount some lighting up here on the roof, on the ceiling. Going to mount it on those rafters there, and I'm also going to put some outlets in here. Just got a delivery from Home Depot. It's like $9 to get it delivered the same day you order it, which ain't too bad. So this will start with the outlet boxes here. I was thinking about putting like an outlet there, an outlet there, but with this only being 20 feet long, that seemed kind of pointless. So I'm using 4 gang outlet boxes. Just put them in the middle of each wall. I have 6 light hangers here. 6 boxes that the light hangers go onto. Outlets. 250 feet of 12-2 UF cable. This is going to be running from the house to the garage. I was going to run a 40 amp circuit. Decided instead to just do 2 20 amp circuits directly off the house panel. Because if I run a 40 amp circuit, I need to run number 8 wire. And number 8 wire is like 4 times as expensive per foot as 12-2. So it's cheaper just to run 2 runs of 12-2 and run 2 separate 20 amp circuits that way. Also, I don't need to worry about any type of disconnect boxes inside the house. And also picked up a couple of locks so I could secure my shit. So I'm going to start putting this stuff together, and when anything significant happens, I will turn the camera back on. One thing I am doing is getting this stuff prepared at ground level here. These boxes, you need to take the screws out of the light fixtures and exchange them with the screws that come with the box. And I'm also getting my Romex connectors in there first because this stuff's a whole lot easier to do on ground level than it is up at the top of a ladder. So, one other tip here, if you're using sheet metal screws or self-tapping screws, they'll only fit through 1 set of holes, so make sure you line up your Romex connectors in the right direction with those holes before you punch out your knockouts. Alrighty, I'm going to set this on the tripod and we'll see if we can get me putting the second box up. You can't see me. You want to make sure you bring up about 5 times as many screws as you need, or buy a magnetic head for your nut driver. This one isn't magnetic, so the shit's just falling right out of it. Alrighty. Let's give you an idea of what the wiring plan is here. I'm going from light switch here, wire up to box 1, across to box 4. Wires then go to boxes 5 and 6, with 5 and 6 each having a stringer coming over to boxes 2 and 3. Gotta start getting this roughed in now. Forgot to buy freaking wire nuts, so I'm not gonna be able to hook anything up, but I'll at least get all the wire in and pulled to where it needs to be, and it'll be a whole lot easier to see that. Yeah, it's about 7:30. I'm about running out of daylight. I did get the roughing in done of the ceiling lights. Starting here at the switch, you go up to the first light, carries over to this side. This is going to be my shelving side, so that's why I'd rather have the wire hanging over here. So that's connecting to the 3. And then we have jumpers going over to each of the individual lights over here. Need to get me some zip ties, need to get me some wire nuts because I forgot to buy wire nuts. But tomorrow we should have this neatened up, and then we'll start putting in the outlets and so forth. And we might even get it run over to the house circuit and pick up some 20 amp breakers. Alrighty, that wraps it up for today. Give you another outside view of this. There we go. Alright, so that wraps it up today on modifications on the garage. First day working on it. Installed on Thursday, and it is now Saturday. Have a good one. I'll probably post another one of these tomorrow.